very early in the morning, our officers, while on our routine patrols along Kisii Road, came across a motor vehicle which was being driven very suspiciously. The officers gave chase. And upon realizing that officers were on hot pursuit, it diverted on a feeder road, and eventually the driver lost control and landed into a ditch. Upon the arrival of the officers, it was established the vehicle, which is behind me here, a Toyota Hiace KCN 509Q, had 14 sacks, as you can see, touched with the brooms suspected to be cannabis sativa or bangi, which is also suspected to be destined either to Nairobi, Nakuru, or Kericho. The driver of the vehicle managed to escape, but officers are on hot pursuit looking for him. He can run, but he cannot hide. We shall catch up with him, put him in custody, and process him very professionally and very soon. What I can tell the public, let us appreciate the good job of the officers. That's the first thing. The officers acted very, very professionally, and we appreciate them. At those wee hours of the night, and being vigilant is not easy, but here we are. We have made a case, a very good case, and I believe we have saved so many souls. You can imagine 14 sacks of bangi to our children. Maybe could have gone mad. Maybe some could have tarnished their health. So kudos to police, the KPS, Bwana OCS, wape askari pongezi kwa kazi mzuri. Na ninyi watu wa press, pia let us appreciate the good job the members of the public and the police are doing. It requires a combined efforts between the police and members of the public to achieve such a case like the one we have today. As of now, we cannot categorically say. We are waiting for the experts first to establish the number of kilograms. Then from there now we can get to know the exact value, street value of the consignment. 2 a.m. in the morning, and you can imagine the weather was very chilly and drizzling. That's why I'm saying for the first time, I want you members of the press to appreciate the police for the good job they are doing, especially in this country. And